Ooh-wee. Getting ready to ship this one out to Dallas, Texas. Thank you to my client for being so patient, working with us in the molding process. We had to do a few molds for this client, but as you can see, got that gator joint done for him. Appreciate you guys, and appreciate you, Jatavia, for tapping in, for supporting all the way from the D, Dallas, Texas. If you need to get you a grill, now's the time, y'all. We got the Cyber Monday sales kicking off. 8 top, 8 bottoms. Sterling silver, $387, y'all. I'm not making hardly anything on that, but I don't care. I like making my people happy. That's what it's all about. Getting ready to go steam these joints off, get them in the envelope and shipped right out. It's the only reason why I'm not wearing gloves. I'm double shot, but still, you know. Let's steam this. You see it's still clean though. Getting ready to go out to Dallas, Texas. Thank you, Dallas, Texas, and everybody out there in the Texas surrounding areas that have been rocking with Seattle Gold Grills. You know, my family's from Texas, so it's all love, y'all. But this is beautiful. Give you that platinum look. If you need you one of these, holla at your boy. I'll get you one right out. All right now, peace.